Okay, so let's begin. So I am Harry, and uh, this is a webinar about how we can boost sales. Use WhatsApp for the promotional messaging to recover the abandoned cart, and how we can boost sales in this festival season in the time of Christmas, New Year. So, as you might have heard earlier, that WhatsApp has opened their APIs. So, WhatsApp now allows officially to send automated messages and broadcast to boost your sales for the business. And WhatsApp is one of the messaging app which is used by most number of people in India, and even globally, it is one of the most popular messaging apps. So let's see how. Let's get to know something about the WhatsApp and why it is so important to use WhatsApp as a channel to boost your sales. First of all, WhatsApp recently allowed promotional messaging, and this has happened in 15th September. So earlier in 2020, WhatsApp has launched its platform. WhatsApp has opened its API to send automated messaging in 2020, but initially they were not allowing promotional messages. Recently, just 2 3 months ago, they allowed promotional messaging officially. So if customers did opt in and you have customers data who did past purchases, you can send them broadcast promotional messaging asking them to about the new launches, about the festival offers, or if you have a new products. So all these promotional messages are allowed officially. So another good thing about the WhatsApp is its ROI. So if you are sending email, if you are sending SMS, about email, you already know in India the email penetration is very low, and even worldwide, less than 10 to 15% of emails are opened. So you already know Gmail has a very aggressive filtering, so they mark the emails as spam, or if not a spam, they will categorize your emails as promotional messages or updates, and hardly people will go to the promotional or updates tab to check the messages. So email marketing has become very difficult. Due to these reasons, the open rate in the email is hardly 10% or 15% if your emails are really good. Otherwise, it can be very low as maybe 5% only. Same thing goes for the SMS. So in SMS also, it has become a lot of there are a lot of spams. And these days, even people are using messaging apps such that SMS Organizer or Truecaller, and they also categorize your SMS same way it happens in the email. So they also categorize your SMS into the promotional updates and all these, so that uh, so due to that, SMS open rate is also very low, and click rate on the SMS is also very low. On the contrary, if you see the WhatsApp, more than for 95% of messages are getting delivered, and more than 80% of messages are getting read. So that's a very good advantage, that if you are sending if you are sending an SMS to 100 people, only 10 or 15 are going to read it. But in case of WhatsApp, 80 85% will read your email, like your message, whatever you have sent them. uh, if you check the Facebook ad cost, so Facebook ad cost is like 3 to 5 rupees for each click, and these days the Facebook ads are becoming more and more expensive. I mean, there have been a lot of issues with the ads. Sometimes they are not working. Sometimes they do not do. They mess up your targeting, and the ad cost even jumps to like 6 to 7 rupees also for each click. And here in case of WhatsApp, per message cost is very low, like 10 times low compared, like around 5 to 50 to 70 paisa for each message. So with that low cost, you can do promotional messaging on WhatsApp and you can get the best ROI. WhatsApp is good for the retargeting. So let's say you have run the Facebook ad, you got your customers to your store. They might have left your phone number somewhere. They might have tried to do the purchase, but they left out somewhere. So over the time, you aggregate a lot of data in your Shopify store or in your online e-commerce store. And for most of the customers, they are not using that data. So imagine you have run some kind of ad campaigns in the Facebook last year. So the users who came to your store, they have filled their details. So those users are still very good users. And if you market your product to those, there are very high chances that they will make a purchase rather than getting new users from the Facebook. So obviously, you should also do the continuously get new users as well. But this is also a good channel which can contribute to like 15 to 20% of your whole revenue of your store. Uh, One more very important thing is like now is the best time to send WhatsApp promotional messages. So as you see earlier, like in old times, a lot of people started doing email marketing, and slowly the email filters have become very strong. They have built the spam filters. They build the categories. Same thing happened in the WhatsApp, and it is very likely that same thing is going to happen on the WhatsApp as well. So in future, you might see different tabs for the broad promotional messages, for the transactional message. WhatsApp might bring these features. But now, since the WhatsApp promotional messaging has just been started, so maybe you have 1 or 2 years or 3 years before it starts getting spammy, and there are a lot of strict criteria, strict filtering criteria on the WhatsApp. So this is the best time to capitalize on it before it's too late. One of the important thing in the WhatsApp is it has rich media. So SMS, if you are using SMS, in SMS you cannot send images, emojis, these rich buttons. So these images bring better engagement. So for example, if you have sent this kind of image which highlights that 25% off or use this code, or it shows in the big text that Christmas offer. So uh, people are gets attracted to this. So I mean, these things are very easy to read. So that way, a lot of people click on it. But in case of SMS, SMS looks like very ugly, just text, and you have to pay attention to read each of the words. So that's why SMS is not that much effective. WhatsApp is much better. These days, people are using WhatsApp to connect with their family and friends, and people are spending like 1 to 2 hours every day on the WhatsApp. So, if businesses also start connecting with users on the WhatsApp, it is like making a personal connection with your users. So, you might have heard a popular phrase that if a user heard your name like 5 or 7 times, then they will remember your brand name. And when they remember your brand name, they are more likely to buy from you. So imagine the example of cola. So you see a lot of TV ads on the cola. So that's why if when you are going to buy some drink, you will instantly remember, okay, these are 2, 3 names, and one of them you will buy. Similarly, let's say using WhatsApp, you have built a connection with users, you have built a trust with them. So whenever they want to buy something, and they will remember your brand name, that okay, this is the brand I can buy. Okay. Now let's see why Quick Reply. Why Quick Reply is the best for running promotional broadcast. So one of the most important thing is start for free. So we don't have monthly commitment or monthly platform fee. So that's why, like in every other platform, you have to pay like heavy setup fee just to get started, and they will start your billing as soon as you say that okay, you want to sign up. But in our case, you can start for free, and you just pay as you go for the messages you are sending. There is no monthly platform fee. We have a great support. So here you can have my direct contact number, my colleague Sutkarsh. So all of us are handling all the onboarding and customer queries very actively. So you will have our direct WhatsApp number, direct contact number, so that you can reach out to us anytime you need any support. So it will not be like we just onboard you and then you don't know how to use the platform, how to make use of it. Uh, Yeah. And one more thing is you can get the real time analytics. So let's say you have started a campaign and you have sent a message to 1,000 users. As soon as the messages are getting delivered, messages are getting read, you can see the real time analytics, like how many messages got delivered, how many got read, how many got failed. So all these things in available in the real time. And so now we will move to demo. Before demo, if anyone have any questions, you can just drop your question in Q&A section, and we will try to answer it, or we will try to incorporate that during our demo. Just one announcement I wanted to make, that yes, we are recording this meeting, and at the end of the webinar, maybe tomorrow or maybe by Monday, you will have the recording of our webinar, where you can go back to this and you can refer it. So I think we have enough questions. Now I will be starting the demo, and demo I will start with the broadcast. So let me log into our platform and see how we can send the broadcast. So this is our platform. This is how our platform looks like. I will not explain all the UI in detail, but I will straight go to the WhatsApp broadcast, where how we can send the promotional broadcast messages. So this is our screen, and here you can see all the templates. Here we can apply for the templates. I will not apply right now because it takes time to get the template approved. But I will just show you how it looks like. So for example, I'm creating a new template called demo template. Here, as soon as you create a template for the promotional broadcast, you can set the category as alert update, and you can at the time of defining a template, you need to select whether it will be an image template, it will be a video template, or you don't want anything, you just want text. You can even use emojis in your body. So here you can put your body and any buttons you would like to have, and after that you can click next and apply for the template. Once you apply, it will go to the pending state, and sometimes it might get approved. So for example, this template is still pending. WhatsApp has this automated process. So just wanted to inform that we are not going through each of your template. We are not approving or rejecting. This happens from the WhatsApp end. So we submit all the templates to WhatsApp. They have an automated system where your template gets approved or they get rejected. So most of the time it gets approved in 1 or 2 hours only, but sometimes if it goes to the manual approval, it might take a bit more time. Once we have the template approved, you can go to the broadcast section, and here we are going to create a new broadcast, and we can show you how it is used. So here I am going to create a new broadcast. Uh, let's say webinar campaign. So I'm going to select a template. I think Utkarsh, do we have any template which does not need any image?
Webinar
Because I think I
invitation.
don't have an image. Sorry.
Webinar invitation.
Let me send this one, the follow-up text. You tell webinar invitation. Okay. This one also has. Let me send this one, the
Yeah, yeah.
follow-up text. Okay. So I just need to select a template. Once I select the template, I can upload the recipients here. So since it does not have a media file, so we don't have to upload any image. Here we can choose. So this template has a variable, is like one. So here I can enter what I want to in this place. I can also choose it from the Excel file. So if I choose it from the Excel file for each phone number, this can be different. For this example, I am just going to select some static value. So just going to select. So yeah, the text will read like, "I'm sorry, I wasn't able to respond to your concerns on time, but I'm happy to assist you." So I'm going to replace one with this thing on time. Here you can upload the sample, and it will give you a format like how you need to upload the Excel sheet. For now, we already have this Excel sheet ready, so I'm just going to upload that same. This is an internal campaign, so your numbers are not here, and so for that reason you will not receive any message, but I'm going to show you how you can run the campaign and how it looks. Okay, there are no additional settings, so I will go to next, and here I'm going to enter the phone number. So this is a test and schedule. So first I'm going to test and preview like how it will look like. So I will just enter my number here. I will see send test message. So that's how I can get a test message and I can see how it looks like. So the message has come, but I think it's not showing this properly in the WhatsApp web. It is showing properly on my phone. Yes. Okay. And these are some automated. So I have configured the automated replies, and then we got some automated replies from the system. So okay, message is not visible. I think I will try to show you message some other way. So that is how we can send the messages. Let me show you the analytics. So let me just schedule it first. I have scheduled the messages. So whatever Excel sheet I have uploaded, to those this message will be sent. And now let me show you how we can show the real-time analytics. So right now it is scheduled. First was the test message I have sent, and then I have scheduled. It will run in 13 minutes. Let me show you some of the analytics. So like these campaigns we have sent just I think half an hour ago. So you can see 50 we sent to 50 people, 4 got failed and 42 got delivered, 24 got read. So this is how you can see the whole analytics, and you can also download report in the detail about like to whom this message was failed, to whom it got delivered, or who read this message. So all these detailed report you can also download from here. Like you can click the button and you can download the report. Now, apart from that, we also have an abandoned cart sequence. So where if we try to purchase, make a purchase and then abandon the cart, it will automatically trigger a message saying that okay, you can purchase it again, or you can we can also try to give them discount. Hmm. So let me walk you through our sequence. Okay. So this is a sheet we have created, and in this sheet, these kind of messages we can configure. So for example, if user comes and they abandon the cart, we can immediately send a reminder within 15 minutes that okay, hey, you left out your purchase. So this is a link to make the payment. And we have seen a lot of conversions happens with this kind of campaign, because often users forget to check out, or sometimes they got some kind of urgent work. So due to this, lot of recoveries happen from this kind of campaign. If there are still they do not check out, Then again we can send another reminder like after maybe 12 hours or 4 hours saying, and we here we can give some kind of our USP that we are, let's say in this example, we have said that we are a PETA approved cruelty free brand. We have these many ratings or reviews. You can here you can put your USP, and using your USP, we can try to make user purchase the product. If they still do not purchase, we can try giving them some discount. Then, or we can again try with some limited time offer, or sometimes we can also ask them for the feedback. So this is how we can recover the abandoned cart. Now we also have a COD to prepaid conversion, where let's say if user tried to make a purchase and user did a COD purchase, so we can send them a payment link and we can say that if you make a payment now, you get 5% discount or 10% discount, whatever you would like to give. So I'm going to show you how that works. This is our demo store. In this demo store, we have listed this product. So I'm going to purchase this product, and then I'm going to show you how we can make use of COD to prepaid and the COD confirmation for this thing. So here I will enter my number. I need to check out using phone number. Only then the system will get the phone number, and we can send the alerts. So I'm going to place a COD order here. My order is getting placed. So as soon as I got the order, and you can see I got this message that thank you for placing order. Please confirm your order so that we can shape it on the priority. And we have got this confirm button and cancel button. And if you check this order on the Shopify admin panel, you can see the order has come here. I think I need to refresh. Just let me refresh, and the order will come there. Now I'm going to do the confirm order. So here, as soon as I do the confirm order, it will mark the order as confirmed in the Shopify. So marking it as confirmed means it will we will add the confirmation tag. So I think my Shopify is a bit slow, so it's just loading. So you can see this order I have placed, and the tag is also applied as confirmed. That is because I have clicked on that confirm button to place the order. Now you can see immediately I also got another message that thank you for placing an order and enjoy flat 10% discount and faster delivery by confirming your order and click below to pay. So that means I'm prompting user to make a payment, and if I make a payment, then I get a 10% additional discount. So let's see how this payment works. This payment works outside the Shopify. So we are taking the payment outside Shopify, and this will be a direct payment link. The payment goes to your Razorpay wallet. It will not come to us. It will go directly to you. So let's say I am trying to make a purchase. So the payment has completed, and it says that you saved 1 rupee. So payment gateway asked for only 9 rupees. It didn't ask for the complete 10 rupees. And now, as soon as I have placed the order, so I also got another alert that congratulations, you paid for the order, and final amount is this much, and the tracking details will be shared. At this time, if I go to Shopify and check the order details, so let me uh, uh, go to this order details and show you how it looks like. So you can see that net payment I have recorded that a net payment of 9 rupee, and 1 rupee as a refund we have recorded because we have given the discount of 1 rupee. And here we have also recorded this payment ID from the Razorpay, so that you can search this payment ID in your Razorpay and find out details about the payment. So this is how the COD to prepayment and COD confirmation works. In the same way, abandon order works. That I'm not going to show you directly because it will take like 15 minutes to send the abandon order, and by that time the webinar will be over. But just like I have explained, if any customer abandons a cart, automatically a system will be sending them reminder so until they make a purchase. Okay. We also have a support for order updates. So our system also can automatically send order updates like order has fulfilled, order is dispatched, it is out for delivery, it is delivered. So all these messages can also be sent in that or and another interesting thing is the repeat purchase. So one thing is the broadcast where you manually upload users data and you manually run the broadcast. But let's say someone makes a purchase today, we can create another. So we can create another campaign where, let's say, after 30 days of their last order, send a campaign repeat for the repeat purchase and asking them maybe you can craft a message saying that hey, we have launched a new collection this month, so check out. So that kind of automated messages we can send to bring customers again and again to your store. Similarly, let's say if you want to take the feedback and reviews, so after order delivery, or let's say after 7 days of order delivery, we can send another campaign saying that hope you like the product and these are here is the link to give the feedback. So please give us a feedback. So that kind of feedback campaign also we can do. Everything is automated. Another thing I wanted to point out, just like abandoned cart messages, you can choose your own images, you can choose your own message. And in all these campaigns, like abandoned cart campaign, in COD confirmation campaign, in COD to prepaid campaign, in all these campaigns, you have you have full freedom to write your own message. So everything is customizable. You can customize the message. You can customize after how long you want to send the message, how many campaigns you want to turn on. So, for example, you don't want to send these 5 messages for abandoned cart recovery, but you just want to send 3. Or let's say for order updates, you want to send 1 message at the time of dispatch and 1 message at out of delivery, but you don't want to send at every stage. So you have the full freedom for this. Uh, so this was about this is how our platform works. Now if now let me try to answer your questions. I will take some of your questions and I will try to answer them. So, lot of people a lot of people like it and they want to get started. But as you know, to get started, we need a phone number and we need to uh, attach this phone number with a Facebook Business Manager. So, some of you might be aware that we need to attach your phone number to Facebook Business Manager. Before that, I just wanted to let everyone know that all these messages will be sent from your own business. It will not be sent from our internal number. So, for example, in this case, if I check the profile, this is our internal number from which we are sending a message. And here all the details like our description, our logo, everything is coming here. In the very same manner, we will get your phone number approved and all the messages will be sent from your brand name, your phone number, here your description, your logo, everything will be yours. Now, the next step to get this approved, we need to submit your phone number with the whole thing to the Facebook and get it approved. So we will facilitate with that. In order to get this approval, Facebook asks for the business verification, where we need to do the Facebook Business Manager verification. And for the business manager verification, we need to submit the documents like your company incorporation certificate, bank statement, GST certificate. So all these documents are required to get your business manager approved. Then only your WhatsApp number can be applied. So a lot of people face trouble while getting verification. So we have figured out the process how to get it approved, and we will be helping you in the approval process. There are no extra charges for that. So you can rely on us. We will guide you on the approval process. Uh, and once your number is approved, you are like your platform is approved, you can send messages, you can start using the platform. Regarding limits, Facebook puts some limits. So initially when your number is approved, you are allowed to send only 1,000 messages per day. And when you have sent enough messages, let's say you have sent like 2 to 3,000 messages in the first week, then your limits will be increased to 10,000 messages per day. In the similar way, it will be increased to 1 lakh messages per day. And they also have an unlimited tire. So if you are a very high power user who are sending lots and lots of messages, they you can move to unlimited tire where you can send unlimited messages every day. Obviously, WhatsApp also wants to maintain the platform sanity so that the platform is not getting abusive, getting abused or become spammy. So they can put some restrictions. For example, whenever a message comes from the unknown number, there are WhatsApp gives an option where user can mark this as an spam or they can continue. If lots of users are marking this as an spam, that means your numbers rating will go down and they might decrease your limits as well. So in our platform, we give you all the details. Like if you go to settings and in the WhatsApp, you will be able to check what is your quality rating. So for example, in this account, the quality rating is green, which is the highest, and the daily sending limit is 1,000. Because from this account, we have not sent a lots and lots of messages, so that's why the daily sending limit is still 1,000. So here you can check your quality rating, and based on that, you can try to maintain it. Another question a lot of people have is about the data, like how our platform have the data, phone numbers to send the messages. So those you have to bring. We don't provide the phone numbers. We only provide the platform to send these kind of messages. So the numbers are not we provided from our side, and whatever phone numbers you upload on our system, those will be safe because we are not going to sell your number. So everything, all your data will be safe. And if anyone wants, we can also sign a one-to-one agreements also for the data safety. And you can also read our privacy policies in our website. And we also are a GDPR compliant because we have clients from all over the world. Uh, Now, next question some people might be having is about like to whom you can send that broadcast or to whom you should send. So, in our experience, you should not send this promotional broadcast to the third party data because third party data is not reliable. When you purchase the data from some external source, you don't know how many of them are going to be your target customers. So due to that, lot of people are going to report your message as spam, and that will impact your health and it might also get blocked. So we recommend sending these promotional broadcasts to your past customers who already know your business or they have some connection with your businesses. So uh, there you also get a better ROI and good health of your account, and also it is in line with the WhatsApp policies. Uh, if anyone has any questions, you can drop your questions there. So someone has asked about the multi-agent login. So yes, we have a multi-agent login. And this is not just for the one-way communication, but here we can have two-way communication as well. So for example, this was a chat I was doing some time ago. So here I have done some kind of conversations, and you can see the whole conversation. This was the broadcast message I have sent, that sorry I was unable to respond on time. I have shown initially, and this is how the whole chat flow went on. Uh, and I have an option to take over. So because user has responded earlier with the confirm order and with these messages, so due to that, until 24 hour, I have an option to take over. So I can also take over, and I can do a manual one-to-one conversation also, which will happen over WhatsApp. So let me send a message. And that will come here. Is there anything else I can help you with? So it is not just for the automated messages, but if anyone replies to you, you can reply back. You can take over the chats from our platform. And we also have a multi-agent login. So this is the team section. In the team section, you will be able to add multiple agents, and you will be able to send messages. Like those team members will be able to log in, and they will be able to send messages. And there is no limit on number of devices. You can log in from any number of devices from, or you can add any number of contacts. So that way you have the you can overcome the limits of WhatsApp, where only one person can have the WhatsApp access. I will come to the pricing, and before that, if anyone have any questions, you can drop me those. So I will move to pricing now. These are our plans. So initially, I have told you about that there is no monthly commitment fee. So that is this plan, free plan, pay as you go. So in this plan, it is a free forever, and here you have a monthly unique contact limit of 1,000. Uh, in this up to Christmas, we are having an offer where there will not be any monthly contact limits. Uh, Now we have a template pricing. So whenever we are sending a message which is like promotional broadcast message, or it is abandoned cart recovery, order alerts, any kind of message which we are sending automatically from our system or via promotional broadcast, those will be categorized as a template message. And this is the cost of each template message. Uh, okay. And when user replies and you are doing one-to-one manual chat, this is the session message, and this is the cost of each session message. So this is how our pricing works. Here you need to pay for messages only, and there is no fee for the platform. Now this is the interesting plan. So in this plan, the template message cost will be reduced. Apart from that, you also get free 15,000 session messages included. So this is the best plan if you are going to send a lot of template messages, and also if users are going to reply and you are going to have a one-to-one chat.
Harry, a user has a query about what is the difference between template messages and session messages.
Okay, so let me give you an example of what is a template message and what is session message in this. So for example, this was the chat where initially we sent this confirm order confirmation. This is a template message because this was automatically triggered by system. Uh, then our system send this confirmation that you can make a payment now. And so these messages are all template messages. Now, now you have taken over the chat, and now after taken over, you have replied with the text. Uh, okay, yeah, it was this. Sorry. So this was the chat. Yeah, you have replied manually to this text, and let's say user sends manually message that hi, I need help. So this is the session message whatever message is sent from your user side, that will be a session message. And in response to that, if you are going to do a auto manual chat, then those are also going to be a session message. So you can assume that whenever you are going to run a promotional broadcast, bulk messaging, abandoned cart recovery, order updates, all these messages are going to be a template message, and all other messages are going to be a session message. I hope it is clear, but we can also have a one-to-one discussion later on if anyone has any other questions. So, and we also have some limits on the features. So, for example, this free plan is best suited for the promotional abandoned cart recovery and broadcast messages and order alert campaigns. But if you want to have a COD to prepaid conversion or COD confirmation, then you can go for our this plan, the starter plan. Similarly, if someone is looking for the enterprise support where you want us to run the campaigns or work with you on the regular basis, you can move to our plus plan. These are the annual billing. On the monthly billing, these will be the prices like 3,500, 7,000, 14,000. So I will take a pause. Okay. For the advanced user, we also have features like advanced chatbot. So, for example, if you are subscribing our standard plan or our plus plan, then you also have features like keyword-based triggers. So, for example, if users comes to WhatsApp and they send some message, so based on the keyword trend, we can automatically send a replies. For example, someone asks that are your products natural or are your products herbal? So we can train a keyword called herbal or natural, and based on that, we can reply automatically that all our products are 100% approved by this, and these are completely natural or no side effects, something like that. So we can have a keyword based trigger, we can have an advanced analytics, we can have a custom integration also. So for example, if your data is coming from, let's say, you are running some kind of Instagram campaign, or you are asking users to fill the form on your website where where you give some offer and ask them to give a phone number. So based on that, we can do an integration with your other marketing tools, and we can do the automated messaging. So on this enterprise plan, we can build the custom integrations for you. We can work with you on one-to-one basis. So if anyone have any other questions, we can take those as well. I think no other questions at this point of time. So at the end of webinar, we will send you steps like how you can sign up. And thank you everyone for the joining. I'm also going to drop my phone number in the chat. So just give me a moment. I'm dropping my phone number. You can directly reach out to me or my team if you have any questions. This is the phone number I have dropped, 965005478 You can reach out to this me on this number via call or WhatsApp, and we can get on further discussion if anyone has any queries or they would like to onboard. Thank you so much for the joining, and I hope to talk to you later.